quite how we expected it to be.
I don't know what to say.
It's, not finished yet.
It's incredible.
Amazing!
We went for high ceilings. You went for no ceilings at all.
And look at the toilet.
Yes, completely open plan. It's so adventurous.
Well, it was all mostly my idea.
King Cicely, old boy, you're a born architect.
Have you considered teaching architecture?
Oh, I don't know.
We must do this with our castle. Come on, darling. No time to lose.
Sorry, we can't stay.
Bye.
Bye!
Well, that wasn't so bad, was it?
Only because the marigolds are completely bonkers.
I want my home back.
Nanny, magic the castle back, please.
Okay, but it'll have to be a very big spell. Thunder and lightning, blow, wind, blow. Back as it was. Home sweet home.
Ah, that's better. My home is back.
It's just how it was before.
It's better than it was before.
How?
All that magic I used has also fixed the tap.
Oh, well done, Nanny.
I have to say, I'm impressed. Not one drip. Let's turn it on.
There's a fountain coming out of the toilet. There's a waterfall coming out of the sink.
And rain coming out of the ceiling.
Oh dear. Maybe I shouldn't have done such a big spell.
Like I said,